So my treatment process basically starts with the Folfox, followed up with a second-line treatment of ramucirumab and paclitaxel, and currently third line is irinotecan and bevacizumab. I did these 3 lines of treatment up until to the point I developed tolerance to the drugs. And in total I did 58 rounds of chemotherapy and immunotherapy, and I've been admitted at the hospital for 149 days so far. From the very first day, when I got to the hospital, my doctor recommended me a psychiatrist, the hospital's psychiatrist, which I went to see. Also recommended me I see a psychologist, and also she told me that if need be, talk to a nutritionist as well. As I underwent treatment and side effects from chemotherapy started to appear, for example, because at one point I had neuropathy, peripheral neuropathy in my feet. She recommended me see a neurologist, which gave me proper treatment and solved that one. And anytime I needed anything, she would tell me where to go and find out, seek out help. I both have a very good support network, and I also speak to many patients at the hospital. Being one of the youngest patients at the Oncological Institute and meeting a lot of elderly people, I think they make comparisons between me and their sons or grandsons, and we talk a lot. We support each other a lot. When I first started treatment, there was a group of 5 of us with exactly the same diagnosis, exactly the same stage, exactly the same treatment. And whenever we needed to find out anything or like consult each other or support each other, cheer each other up, we would do that. And it was a really good thing to have these people next to me. And then there's the family, friends, also psychologists that I'm seeing currently, and I recommend anybody to do that as well, that help you out. You need a support network, and to have it, you need to open up and talk about the disease. You need to meet people and not be ashamed or afraid to be perceived in a certain way because of your diagnosis. And then you'll see things get so much easier for you. My mother and Alina talk a lot, and they help so many patients out at the Oncological Institute. Sadly, she had to connect me to Alina because I got diagnosed as well, and I had to start treatment and everything. But it was a very positive thing. It was a very positive thing because Alina helped streamline the process so much. The way she handles things is really good. Because as a patient you tend to be confused, you tend to not know where to go, you don't know what tests to do, you don't know what doctors to go to, or if a clinical trial is good for you or not. And having her by your side is really, really good.